friend. How you doing? Listen, I know there's something that's been kind of on your heart that you've been wanting to do, that you've been thinking, can I do it? I mean, so-and-so said I can, and so-and-so said I wouldn't succeed, and I've even been hearing thoughts in my head telling me that maybe I can't do this. And the Bible says, so a man thinketh, so is he. So you know what that means? That if you meditate on something, you become that thing. You heard that wise saying that the man who says he can and the man who says he can't, they're both right. Like literally they're both right, because it's his thoughts that matter. So I implore you right now to cast down every thought that would try to exalt itself above God and above what God says you can do. I implore you and encourage you to do your best and still pursue it. Go after that dream. Don't let nothing stop you. Don't let anything discourage you. You got this, friend. Listen, it's already in you, okay? And nobody can do it better than you. Nobody can do it like you. Nobody has a level of influence that you have, because God created you with it. Like, I can't even do what you can do. You know what I mean? It's you. I mean, I can't be you better than you. You're going to be the best version of you while I'm being me. Okay? So you go ahead and you do that thing. And I want to see you succeed. And I'm already applauding for you. I'm already rooting for you. Okay? I'm already encouraged just looking at you making these strides. Listen, the fact that you stood here to listen to this video lets me know that you are hungry, you're ready, and I know you can do this. I believe in you. So get out there and show the world what you got. Okay?